Hey there, thanks for checking out my Digistore 24 Affiliate Marketing for Beginners step-by-step tutorial and walkthrough. I'm going to cover everything you need to know about Digistore 24 as an affiliate marketer. We're going to start with an affiliate marketing 101 just to make sure you understand the basics of affiliate marketing and how it works. Then we're going to talk about Digistore 24, and I'm also going to show you why it's compared to ClickBank and why it's said to be better than ClickBank in some cases. I'm going to show you how to become a Digistore 24 affiliate step by step. I'll show you how to find good affiliate products to promote. Then I'm going to show you some handy resources to help you succeed. Hey there, it's Kim Wolf here, your affiliatemarketinginformant.com. If this video helps you out in any way, definitely give it a like, subscribe to my channel, comment below if you have any questions. And if you're looking to finally succeed with affiliate marketing online, definitely check out my link below. It's hands down the best free starter training I've found for you yet. Okay, so let's start with affiliate marketing 101. So the way it works is you essentially have three parties. On the left here, you have a customer. The customer has a need of some sort, a problem, a desire, a wish, and they want to solve it. On the right, you have a solution. These are developed by different companies across the world. And then in the middle, you have the affiliate, which is you. So where you come in is that you help connect the right solutions to the right people with the right problem. And if you do this well, you will actually be very successful. Let me show you how it works. So ideally, as an affiliate, you're going to start off by choosing a market. So you choose a topic. You're going to choose people in this particular topic area that have specific problems. Make money online is a specific topic. People want to learn how to make money online. And there are a set of specific problems and needs and desires all around that topic. Then you're going to create helpful content for them. Just like I'm doing here, I'm showing you around Digistore 24. I'm telling you why you should be aware of it as an affiliate, and I'm going to show you how to use it and how to succeed with it. Once you create the content, you need to attract visitors to that content, so that can be referred to as traffic. When that traffic buys your solutions recommended in your helpful content, then you earn a commission as an affiliate. So technically the way it works is the customer clicks on your affiliate link. The company who has that product ships that product to the customer and then sends you, as an affiliate, they send you a commission for the sale. And the commission of the sale is going to be a % of the sale. Then, as an affiliate, you have choices of where you find products to promote. One very popular choice is going to be an affiliate network. Now, an affiliate network is going to connect you with a lot of different products that you can promote in one hub, sort of in one area. And essentially, all of these are different companies. So an affiliate network says, hey, company, advertise on here your products for affiliates, and we will market our network to affiliates and find you the right affiliates to help promote your products. So that is where Digistore 24 comes in. Digistore 24 is actually an affiliate network. It's very similar to ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. So why choose Digistore 24 affiliate network over the other popular networks? And why is Digistore 24 compared to ClickBank, but is said to be better in some ways? So Digistore 24 offers some unique benefits as an affiliate marketer. They originally started in Germany, so they are a European-based affiliate network. However, they've been slowly moving to the US, so they say they're made in Germany. The unique things about Digistore 24 are they allow any country to promote. So ClickBank actually has restrictions on specific countries that can actually promote products and sign up to be an affiliate. Digistore 24 allows affiliates of any age, so there are no age restrictions. Digistore 24 accepts payouts to PayPal. ClickBank does not. Digistore pays out weekly payments, so you do have options, but you can set out as frequent as weekly payouts to receive your affiliate commissions on a weekly basis. And Digistore 24 focuses on digital products, very similar to ClickBank. The average commission is going to be anywhere from 50 to 70% on Digistore. Now they're all over the place. They go up as 95% on the first sale. With Digistore, it connects you with 8,000 products over 44 different niches. So the niches are going to be those topic areas. And of course, with most affiliate networks, it is free and easy to join. Ready to become a Digistore affiliate? Awesome. Let me show you step by step. So you're going to go to digistore24.com. You'll find the link below in the description. Come to the home page and choose register now. So you're going to see over here on the right, you actually have choices of language. I'm choosing the English language, or you can choose the German language. So it shows you immediately the few steps that you're going to go through. Immediately scroll down here to the registration page. In this case, you're going to choose affiliate. You certainly can choose vendor and affiliate. If you are going to become a vendor, that means that you're actually going to create and sell products on Digistore24. Since we're talking about affiliate marketing in this tutorial, I'm going to stick with affiliate for now. You're going to put in your username, then your affiliate link is going to be created. So this does not have to be your name. This can be anything you want. If I wanted to come here and do something simple, it's saying that I can't do AMI because I have to do 6 characters. So I could do affiliate informant, and there you go. So just keep your username simple and easy to remember. Put in your information here, email, you can choose your time zone, and make sure you check these boxes. So the biggest thing that I want you to see here is going to be this B2B contract. Definitely be sure to come here and read this contract. There are always things you need to know before you join an affiliate program and affiliate network. If you're interested in learning about 9 things you need to know before you join any affiliate network or affiliate program, definitely check out the link on your screen right now. I tell you 9 questions you need to answer before you join any affiliate program. So the B2B contract is essentially because you are a business owner, you're considered to be an online business owner, even as an affiliate marketer. So therefore you have to agree to this B2B contract. So make sure you go read it thoroughly. The other policy you're going to need to make sure you approve is the privacy policy. Pretty standard these days, just making sure you understand how they are using your information. And you can choose to sign up for the email newsletter. I definitely highly recommend you do that. It's always good to get information from these networks as they update you on different product offers, changes within the networks, sometimes commission structures, etc. So always a good thing to sign up to emails. You can always cancel at a later date. And then you're going to choose register for free now. All right, so once you're inside, you're going to land in what they call the business cockpit. So this is just the area that you manage what's happening in your account. So as an affiliate, you can see things like how many sales you've made, how much money you've made. As you can see, I haven't been really active in promoting Digistore24 yet. You can see things like how many clicks you've gotten on your affiliate links. One of the cool things about this particular dashboard is that you can rearrange this for whatever sort of order and information you want to see. Now the fun part. We're going to go to Marketplace. So this is really going to be the bread and butter of your experience on Digistore24. This is where you're going to come and you're going to find affiliate offers to promote. Now, as you see, it is very similar setup to ClickBank, which has your navigation on the side. These are going to be the niches that it talked about. So there's 44 different niches. This is going to be the category of topics. Everything from animals and pets all the way to sports. But you've got software, you have social media, services. For me personally, I am definitely interested in the business and investment and also the internet marketing and e-business. So affiliate marketing is definitely going to fit probably in this category. You click on it and it's going to give you a subset of products that are in this category. So as an affiliate marketer, it is really important that you stick to your topic. So as affiliatemarketinginformant.com, I specialize in teaching you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. So because of that, I'm going to promote products that help you get started with affiliate marketing. But for you, if you're interested in something else, definitely go for animals and pets or dance and music or education. Email marketing is actually kind of fits into affiliate marketing because it is one of the strategies you use to drive affiliate commissions. So now what's really important is to understand the metrics you're provided to make good choices. So here are some of the things you want to look at when you're looking through these products to try to find the best product for your audience, but also the best product for you to promote as an affiliate. The key things to look at are going to be the commission rate. So how much of the sale do you get? In this case, this is 50% for a tube mastery and monetization, a training teaching you how to use YouTube marketing. And you're going to see these stats under here. So you have everything from the price of the product, the commission rate, the earnings per sale, the vendor, when the product was created, what type of payment option. So this is pretty popular with digital products. You can either pay all in one lump sum or you can pay installments. Typically the installment payment option is going to have you pay more over a period of time. But some of the most important metrics for you is to see how well it converts and how sticky it is with customers. So in this case, you've got a 4% conversion rate and then there is a 22% cancellation rate. So to make sure you understand the importance of those metrics and what these metrics really mean, they're referred to as key figures. So this is going to be another resource. I'm going to put it in the description below. The metrics you just saw are referred to as key figures by Digistore24. And really what you're looking for is the cart conversion. So it's the number of sales divided by the number of unique order form visitors. So people that actually go to not only just the website, but actually go to the cart and actually look at the checkout page. There's a 4% conversion rate on that. and then the cancellation rate, which is the total number of cancellations divided by the total revenue multiplied by 100. So you notice it was in the 22% range. So that seems kind of high. The conversion rate is probably okay, but as you can see, it is a sort of mid-range product, so not everybody is going to fork out $500 for a YouTube training course. If you're looking for a cheaper, really high quality YouTube starter training course, definitely check out my link below. You'll see it down there. It's exactly the same training that I started with and I started seeing success with. All right, so another thing you need to look at are going to be these links over here. So anytime you want to learn more about the product, you're going to have a link to the sales page. So this allows you to actually check out the product yourself. Now, it is really highly recommended as an affiliate marketer. This is sort of a best practice tip. When you are promoting anything as an affiliate marketer, know what you're promoting. Make sure it is a quality product. And when you can, yes, buy the course, go through it, confirm its quality, learn from it yourself. And if it's good training, you'll actually put that training into practice, and that will make you a better marketer, an affiliate marketer over time. So you just scroll through here and learn more about the product. So back on the Digistore 24 marketplace page, the other link you want to look for is going to be this affiliate support page. And this is the page that is designed for you as an affiliate. It's going to tell you everything that you can expect from the offer. So in this case, you have a 50% commission rate. It's going to tell you how to actually sign up, which we've already done. It's going to show you the links you need to use and how you would just come in and replace some information here with your specific information. It shows you how to promote. It even provides some ads. So these resources pages are really important for you as an affiliate. Not every product on Digistore is going to have them. So you essentially, when you're looking for a good product on Digistore 24 or really any affiliate marketing network, look to see the resources they provide for you. This is going to make your job easier promoting as an affiliate. You don't have to create as much promotional content. You can focus your time on creating helpful content around the problem these solutions solve, and then you can recommend these particular solutions as a good fit. So that's how you navigate the Digistore 24 marketplace. So let's look at a few more. So here is another one that is Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System. So reading more about it, it looks like that if you want to have someone actually do the affiliate marketing for you, this would be a service to offer. So this may actually be worth doing a review, help educate people that this is an option that they can go down. So obviously in this affiliate, you can do it all yourself, or you can pay other people to do it too. Keep scrolling down, you have another tube monetization course. So definitely a lot of YouTube affiliate marketing courses on here. And when you reach the bottom of the page, you just hit next. And here's what I want you to notice. For this particular product here, they do not have a support resources page for you. It's just a sales page. So that's something to keep in mind when you're looking for a good product to promote on Digistore 24. So a couple of other things I want you to know about Digistore 24. Although it is mainly focused on digital products, there are a couple of other categories that you can choose from as far as products. So digital products is going to be the biggest one for Digistore 24, but you do have other categories and products under events and seminars and physical products. So for events and seminars, you only have two categories. One's going to be for finance. The other one's going to be for online marketing. For me, in my case, this may actually be something worthwhile looking into, at least to do reviews. And then if you come to the physical products, you have supplements. So this is going to be targeted to the health niche. So if you're in the make money online niche and you're promoting solutions on how to make money online successfully, whether it's affiliate marketing or any other business model, don't go putting health supplements on your site. It's not relevant to your audience. You want to create a separate affiliate brand for that and target people specifically who would want to hear about a health supplement. And don't forget that you do have some filtering options up here in the search. You can choose by billing type. So if you want to make sure you offer a product that has installment payment options for your audience, you can choose that as an option. You can obviously choose different languages, and you can come through here and sort by different key figures. So these are going to be the particular metrics down here. If you're interested in a specific one, which is typically going to be the cart conversion rate, you're looking for a product that have higher conversion rates than lower, and you want to look for products that have lower cancellation rates than higher. So you can search and sort by those particular key figures to make your searching easier for you. And that is going to be a fairly extensive walkthrough of how Digistore works, how you work it as an affiliate, and how you can find good products to promote. So now I want to make sure you understand where the resources are to help you continue your journey as an affiliate on Digistore 24. You're going to have the knowledge base that's going to be really helpful for you, so you can come here and you can actually walk through a lot of this documentation. Although I have provided the quick link access for you in the description below. Easiest way to find the knowledge base is when you're signed into Digistore 24, you're going to see this help option right here. This is going to take you to the knowledge base. So the most helpful resources for you as an affiliate is going to be this option right here. This is going to be found on the main page of the knowledge base, the help files. You can choose promote products as an affiliate and choose Digistore 24 marketplace, find product to promote. This is actually going to show you the key figures that I showed you earlier, how to use that to find good product to promote, and other helpful links and information to help you be a successful affiliate on Digistore 24. And if you ever get stuck, you're going to see on the right hand side, you can contact the support team, and that's going to be your Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners step-by-step tutorial guide. Hopefully this video helps you out. If it does, definitely check out the link below if you're interested in learning how to get started with affiliate marketing or just succeed with affiliate marketing. It's exactly the same training that I use to start finding success online. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.